Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Defender apps on your Android. So first thing to do, you can install this link to Windows, and please make sure you're signed in on your Microsoft account first on your laptop or on your PC. After that, you can open this link to Windows app after installing, of course. So here, if already connected, synchronized or linked with your laptop or PC, there is a notification. This is the home screen. Your mobile device and PC are linked. If you uninstall this app, you might need to link your mobile device and PC again. So here we go. You can tap to restart at the top of your screen. You can scroll down and tap on Tools. This is the Microsoft apps that you can install on your Android phone. Microsoft Bing, Search and Earn, this like Google, and this one, Microsoft Defender. So you can install via Play Store, of course, or you can directly install from Microsoft Defender. Same. Here we go, but you don't need to relog in. So if you need antivirus that connected into your PC or laptop, you can use this Microsoft Defender. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.